My airsoft shotgun. It's white. It's mostly plastic, but my cousin has identical one, same exact one, but it's all black and it's all metal. Barrel here and whatnot, really heavy, and it's got really primitive ways to load it up. See this thing? Damn it, get off. This thing right here, load the BBs up right here, and clip out. There's the clip. You have to line up the tip right there into there, and when you do that, you have to push the BBs down. Some will be left over if you fill it to the top, which defect. It's primitive, it takes forever to load. I don't use it that much, only one time use. Then you load it up like so, like that. There's a little button right there. It's no stock, it's just a handheld type thingy. Pretty powerful. Yeah. There's a little button right there. I don't know if you can see it though, but beside this, there's you can slide it to normal or hop up, I think it says, for like BBs. I don't know what the hell it does. I just put it on hop up. Got a little rail thing right there up top. I don't know why. Yeah. Another basic gun. You can also unscrew the cap right there on the end, not the orange one, but the black one. You can take it all apart, but it like corrects its accuracy and whatnot. Yeah, it's just a whole basic gun. It's got a little clip thing for it. I don't know why. Yeah. If you can get one of these, somehow get extra clips of those. 'Cause yeah, it's really retarded to load it. So yeah.